Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the Smart Learning French Language class. Today's topic is a very important topic of the French grammar, French verbs. Some special verbs will be discussed in today's session. These verbs are not only used in the French sentences, these are always followed by some other verbs that is in the root form. And these are very important or essential verbs for the purpose of written French and for the purpose of communication also. Before starting today's session, please permit me to let you know that I have already designed and launched a French communicative course. And this course will be giving you a very good coverage regarding the communication part of the language. And ready-made conversational sentences will be covered in this French communicative course. If you are interested, you may contact me for the contact details given in the WhatsApp number given in the description of the video. And this course will be very much helpful for the persons or students who are interested to visit France for the higher studies or other French-speaking countries, or for any other official purpose or business purposes. They will definitely be benefited from this French communicative course, and this is a short-term French communicative course, and this is totally online. You may contact and you may follow this course comfortably at home. Before starting today's session, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you may get it fast. Please like and share the video lessons uploaded because one like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. Let's start today's lesson. Thank you. Let's start today's session. Complete solo l'exemple. This type of instruction given in the examination question, I have given in the board the instruction, how the instruction is written in examination question. Complete solo l'exemple means when this type of verbs are given in the examination questions, this type of instruction given because that complete as per or according to the example. This is the English meaning. Complete solo l'exemple. For example, one sentence is given. Nathalie in bracket aimait one verb and another verb is given side by side jouer. These are inside bracket. Okay. Du piano. This is a sentence. This type of example are given in the examination question. Nathalie aimait jouer. That is, aimer is a verb and jouer is another verb. That is, the first verb will be followed by the second verb in the root form. And du piano is a musical instrument. So how these questions will be solved? This is the instruction for you, that is complete solo l'exemple, means complete according to the example. So this type of example is given in the examination question. So your answer will be Nathalie. I am showing you the answer. Nathalie is a proper name. Nathalie M. Jouer. See here, that is M is conjugated as per form, third person singular, and jouer is in root form. Du piano. Two verbs has been used in these sentences. That is Nathalie aime and jouer. Two verbs have been used. Nathalie aime jouer du piano. Nathalie likes to play the piano. This is the English meaning. Okay. I am showing you some other live examples. This is one set. That is aime jouer. This is one set. Okay. Another sentence I am showing you. Next sentence is Marco savoir écrire. Marco savoir écrire en français. Okay. These two verbs have been used in this sentence. That is, one is savoir and another is écrire. Savoir means know, to know something, and écrire is to write. Okay, is RE ending verb. Marco is a proper name. So you have to use these verbs, first verbs in the proper form of the conjugation and the second verb in the root form. That is I am showing you. Now follow the answer. Marco say. It is the proper form of the savoir verb. But one thing I have to know, I have to tell you, that is in the today's session I am discussing all the verbs that is conjugated and in the root form are in ledicati presa. That is indicative present tense I am discussing. Okay, Marco say, the second verb will be in the root form. It is do not require any conjugation. Marco sait écrire en français. English meaning, Marco is a name, proper name. Marco knows to write in French. Okay. That means he has some knowledge in French. Knows to write in French is the English meaning. Please take down in your copy, and I am showing you one by one. Now I am showing you another verb. Il Il falloir verb and compléter. These are two sets of verb. Falloir verb is a special verb that is conjugated only one form. That is the form il faut. Falloir verb, keep it in mind, that is il faut is the only form for the falloir verb. Il faut. Il F-A-U-T. Il faut. Il faut is the only form for the falloir verb. It is used in ledicati presa. Il faut, and the second verb compléter will be in the root form. That is, second verb does not require any conjugation. Il faut compléter. Il faut means it is necessary or it should. This type of meaning in English. Okay. I am just showing you how to conjugate it. Two verbs, two set of verbs, falloir and compléter. The complete form of the sentence will be il faut, that is the falloir you are conjugating in proper form, and second verb in root form, compléter. No conjugation required for the second one. Il faut compléter votre travail alors. That means it should or it is necessary to complete your work in time. Okay. Alors means in time. This type of sentences are actually formed with the use of falloir verb. It is a very important verb for the purpose of communication. The English meaning, it is necessary or it should complete your work in time. Next question. Les enfants. Les enfants means children. The children. Two sets of verb I am using here. One is préférer and another is lire. Lire means to read. Préférer is to prefer. Les enfants préfèrent lire. Okay, this first will be conjugated and second will be intact in the root form. Les bande dessinée. Bande dessinée. That means comics. Okay, the children prefer to read the comics. And the first verb préférer will be in the proper form. You have to conjugate. And the second verb will be intact. I am showing you how to make it. Les enfants préfèrent. Les enfants préfèrent lire. Lire will be intact. RE ending verb to read. Les enfants, the children, prefer to read les bandes dessinées. This is a complete sentence. This is the answer. Okay. First verb you are conjugating in the proper form and the second verb is intact. Does not require any conjugation. Okay. Please take down in your copy. Then I am showing you the next sentence. This is an interrogative sentence. Est-ce que nous, and two sets of verb, pouvoir and second set is aller. Okay, two sets of verb. Est-ce que nous, pouvoir and aller au cinéma après le cours? This is the interrogation. This is the interrogative sentence. Est-ce que nous, pouvoir means to be able or to can. Okay. Est-ce que nous pouvons aller? Aller means to go. The first verb we will conjugate as per proper form of the subject pronoun and aller will be intact. So I am showing you how to make it. The proper form of the verb pouvoir. Est-ce que nous pouvons? And aller does not require any conjugation. It will be in root form. Est-ce que nous pouvons aller au cinéma après le cours? English meaning is whether we should or we can. We are able to go or we can go to the cinema after the course. This is an interrogation. This is a question. Okay. Is it clear that the first verb is conjugated and the second verb is in the root form? That is intact. Does not require any conjugation. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am going one by one. Next sentence. Chaque jour, vous, two sets of verb. Devoir. Devoir, manger. Devoir is the first verb and manger is the second verb. Manger une pomme. Okay, this is a sentence. The devoir is a verb that is called must in English. And manger to eat. That means chaque jour, every day you must eat. This is the meaning actually. The devoir you conjugate in the proper form and manger to eat, this verb will be intact. That is, does not require any conjugation. Okay. I'm showing you how to make it. The first verb. Chaque jour vous devez. Devez is as per subject pronoun. The verb is conjugated. Subject pronoun vous. Chaque jour vous devez manger. Manger will be intact in root form. It does not require any conjugation. So what is the complete sentence? Chaque jour vous devez manger une pomme. Every day you must eat one apple. Pomme is apple. Okay. That's all for today's class. I'll be coming with the next grammatical topic of the French grammar in the coming video session or video lesson. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.